Good morning, everyone. It's your math tutor, ebimaths. Today we are going to look at change of subject formula. In change of subject formula, we actually deal with alphabet mostly, but sometimes we apply numbers in terms of evaluating. But we want to specifically deal with changing of the subject formulas. Now, the first example we're looking at is number 1, a over x plus b over y equals to a over y. Now, what we are to look at is we are to find y. We are to find y. So this question is telling us that we should make y the subject of formula. So how do we make y the subject of formula? For you to make y the subject of formula, we are going to simplify this by solving it. Solution. You rewrite the question over x plus b all over y equal to a all over y. The next thing to do here is we are going to take this one to this side because it has y in the denominator and this one also has y in the denominator. So we are going to take these two to this side, to the right hand side. So we make a all over x the subject first. Then we'll bring this one inside equals to a all over y. This is what I just did. I write a all over x and I bring in equals to a all over y. Then I take plus b all over y outside. That is, when plus is crossing an equal sign, it changes to minus. So it will now be minus b all over y. Then the next thing to do is we are going to simplify this by isolating the y, by taking out the y. So how do we do that? We write a all over x equal to, because this is y and this is y, we can say in brackets we have 1 all over y, because 1 all over y times a minus b will give us the same thing as a all over y minus b all over y. Now, if you use 1 all over y to multiply out this bracket, you are going to get back to this. That is, 1 all over y will give us a over y, then 1 all over y times b will give us b over y. So at this point, we have 1 all over y. Now, what do? We are going to divide both sides because what you are looking at is y. So we divide both sides by a minus b. A minus b will divide both sides. So we say a minus b over a minus b. And this will cancel this. We are going to be left with a over x all over a minus b. This is a big bracket that is differentiating a divide x over a minus b. Then we'll now write 1 all over y. Now if you look at this is nothing but this over this equal to this over this, so we can cross multiply. So if we are going to cross multiply here, we use y to multiply this and use 1 to multiply this. So y times a over x will give us a y all over x. The reason is y times a over x. Whenever you are multiplying y to a over x, what you are going to get is the y will be multiplied to the numerator, which will give us ay all over x, and that is what you are seeing here. Then this one will now be equal to, because we are cross multiplying, this is an equal sign. So when you use one to multiply this one, you now use one to multiply this one, which will now give us a minus b. Now we are looking for what? What we are looking at is y. So we further simplify again. This is all over 1. This times this will give us ay, that is ay times 1, equal to x times b, a minus b will give us x bracket a minus b. We are looking at y. So we divide both sides by a because we want y to stand alone by making it the subject of the formula. So this cancel this, we have y equal to x over a bracket a minus b. And our final answer is going to be this. We have made y the subject of formula. Thank you very much, everyone. I'm sure you all understand the first example. Now, the second example, we are going to make use of